Hello, beauties. Oh my goodness. Gosh, hey, this is Robin Nielsen, and I wanted to give you your hot hormone tip for today. I'm so excited. The perimenopause menopause solution program starts tomorrow. And today we're actually filling out the day one hormone assessment. So you'll get your score. And then tomorrow, I'm going to share with you which hormone it is, what the hormone does, and what's going on when you're experiencing those symptoms that were on the assessment. So you're going to become really knowledgeable about how to take care of yourself and really learning how to come home to yourself. So I'm really excited about this program. We already have, I don't know, 2,600 ladies in our beautiful Facebook group for this program, over 7,500 women sign up. It's an epic journey. We're going to have so much fun. Definitely join us. It's a free event. We would love to have you. It's an incredible way to get started on taking charge of your health naturally, because pretty much anything that you're experiencing, you can heal all by yourself with just the step-by-step that I'm going to share with you. So what I want to share with you today is that about 26% of women are diagnosed with hypothyroidism every year. But as we get into our perimenopause, menopause years, that number increases substantially. And one of the reasons it increases is due to a condition called estrogen dominance. So a lot of us have heard about that term. A lot of us say that term in this group or use that term in this group, but it's kind of misused. So I'm going to share exactly what estrogen dominance means now. I'll give you a little bit about it now, but I'm also going to share a lot more in the program that starts tomorrow. But estrogen dominance does not mean that your estrogen is too high. I want you to get that, because we need estrogen for so many different things. It doesn't mean that your estrogen is too high. What it means is that your estrogen is unopposed by enough progesterone. So you don't have enough progesterone based on how much estrogen you have. So the estrogen causes all sorts of problems with your metabolism. So what that means is it slows down your metabolism when there's too much estrogen compared to not enough progesterone. And so the ways that you fix that, I'm going to share with you in the perimenopause menopause solution program. They're very simple ways to fix it, right? Very simple ways to fix it. So one of the things that happens as we get into perimenopause and menopause is, our hormones get lower. And so, oftentimes we decide that we need some estrogen. And what happens is if you take estrogen when you're in perimenopause and menopause, you're often exacerbating the estrogen dominance problem, because I guarantee you that you're progesterone deficient. So you decide to take estrogen, and now you're making the problem worse. So you're putting on more weight. Your metabolism gets more sluggish, which means that you're putting on more weight. You're getting more tired. Your brain fog is worsening. You're getting more and more irritable, right? All these things that you don't want start happening tenfold because you've added estrogen in. So let's be smart, ladies. Oh my goodness. Join the perimenopause menopause solution program. I'm going to share all about this phenomenon, what's happening, how you can boost your metabolism all by yourself. Because what happens is that on your thyroid test results, when you do your blood work, and your doctor says, oh, your thyroid looks fine, that's because your thyroid is fine, but estrogen is blocking those receptor sites. So it slows down your metabolism. So I'm going to meet you over in the program. We're going to have so much fun. The program is absolutely free. You can upgrade to the VIP experience, where we're going to have hormone after hour parties. Hormone happy hour after parties, where we're going to do a deeper dive into weight and metabolism. So there is a charge for that if that is an issue for you and you really want to work a little bit more personally with me. We're going to have a lot of fun, but you'll get everything you need from the free part of the program if that's all you can do. So let's step up our game a little bit. Let's learn more about ourselves. Let's come home to our beautiful bodies and live a life that's full of joy and connection and feeling pretty darn fabulous. All right, post right here if you've already joined the program. I want to see who has joined. And if you're going to register, post right here. All right. Sending you so much love. Mwah.